Can somebody tell me what is the difference between Khardungla and Umlingla?
Bangalore. So, namge aa kade ಕಾಣ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು.
Another 100 meters to go. I'm wearing these sports sneakers, so it's slipping and oxygen levels are very, very low. We're gasping for every breath. Yeah, the things that happen to us now on every trip. I was so worried about the car and now this happened. We're going to go for it. You only live once, right? Let's go for it. Finally, Leh got the better of my car because a lot of people will come till Umlingla. Look at this, 0 degrees Celsius! But I have not seen anybody go all the way to the top. Jeep is showing all kinds of error messages. Service airbag. Like, I don't even know what that means. Why is this happening? This is Hanle. Hanle is the checkpoint or the stopover for people proceeding to Umlingla. Alright? This is part 5 of the entire series. So if you have not seen the previous parts, you're not going to understand how we got to Hanle. From Hanle, we're driving all the way till Umlingla, which is 80 kilometers. And from Umlingla, we're proceeding back to Leh. Now, for people who do not know what is the difference between Umlingla and Khardungla, honestly, I did not know before coming here. So make sure you watch this entire video because that difference is something that you guys need to know and why you need to visit both the places, Umlingla and Khardungla. This route, whatever you're seeing right now, this route was suggested to us by the local, the housekeeper of the homestay where we stayed. That is the advice I would like to give you guys. Talk to the locals, okay? The locals know best. We need to go up that hill. Okay, that's a weaving pattern up that hill, and once we go on top of that hill, the road is going to become good. That is the terrain that we have conquered. Oh, and by the way, the time is 9 o'clock, temperature is 6 degrees Celsius. So normally all the other vehicles, this is the road that they come onto. Okay, you just have to initially overcome that humongous mountain that you have to climb. I'm telling you guys, from the bottom of the mountain till the summit, I was in first gear. World's highest motorable road. Okay, so that is what is Umlingla. It'll be written gateway to Umlingla. So that is where you need to take a U-turn and cross the bridge. From here, it is total distance of 28 kilometers. On that road which we just came, there you can absolutely fly. But on this road, considering it's a climb, please be careful. There it is, first view of Umlingla. It is there. Yeah, honestly, the mountain that we just climbed to get here felt way steeper, way higher. Right?
Yeah.
Temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Oxygen levels are getting critically low. Car is showing all kinds of error messages. I don't know what is happening to the car. Get your car serviced before coming here. Look at this, 1000 meters to reach Umlingla. Look at the temperature. It's 1 degree Celsius. It's an experience of a lifetime. You have to come here. Yeah, probably we'll be going to minus. Stay tuned, stay tuned. And don't forget to carry oxygen cylinders, okay? Oxygen cylinders is a must. Trust me, all of us are finding it difficult to breathe. Please carry oxygen cylinders. Better to have it and not use it than to want it and not have it. Better to have it and not use it than to want it and not have it. We are 500 meters from the world's highest motorable pass. Here it is. We're almost there. Stay tuned. You can feel the excitement in my voice, probably because I'm not able to breathe. World's highest cafe. Is this the point? Yeah. So we've made it. This is Umlingla. Here it is. Oh my God. Highest motorable pass in the world. Yeah, here you see, literally it is 0 degrees Celsius, and I'm sure we stay here for some more time. We're going to go to negative. True daredevils who have come by bikes. These are the people who fill up fuel in water bottles so that they don't run out of fuel. I wish we also had done that because we are also low on fuel right now. How is it?
Oh, it's crazy, man. It's crazy, it's cold, it's freezing.
It's too cold, I'm telling you, it's too cold. Look at me. The things I do for you guys, no? Seriously, if Shagufta had come with me, she would have killed me, she would have thrown me off this mountain. This is the road that we have conquered right now. World's highest oxygen cafe at 19,000 feet. Then you have world's highest parking lot at 19,000 feet. Then you have world's highest cafe again at 19,000 feet. Basically, what you need to understand is anything you come over here and anything that you find, it is the world's highest. This I've already shown you. It's the highest motorable pass in the world. Unfortunately, circumstances are not comfortable for us to go all the way to the top, and we're not wearing the right shoes. If not, that is something that we could have embarked on. Dhanush, mail or ogana? Do it! Yeah. We'll try. Just do it! Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna go all the way to the top. Now, All three of us are going to embark on this adventure. We're going to try climbing all the way to the top, including her. She's our daredevil. So, as you can see, we're carrying an oxygen cylinder. No chances. Let's go. From literally the highest motorable pass in the world. And if that was not high enough, we are going higher. Let's go. Bye. I literally hope we don't cause an avalanche. Seriously.
Should be very careful.
At whatever you can see the red hills, red mountains. That is part of Chinese territory. That thing is part of Chinese territory. This area over here is called Black Top, and everything after that is Chinese territory. You can see the car is there. Look at this. This is the view, guys. It's too steep. If that is your Umling, you can see where the cars are parked, where people are standing. See where we are. This is what we do at the 8th Wanderer channel. Explore the unknown. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, what are you doing, yaar? We have put in so much effort. We are climbing this, literally this peak for you guys. I think it deserves a like and a subscription. How can you come to a place where there is snow and not have a snow fight? Yeah, exactly. See, an awareness for all of you guys. Please, please do not throw plastic over here. This is your Umling. This is part of our country, part of our culture and heritage. And a few people who come here are going to throw plastic bottles over here. Please don't throw plastic here and there. Now to tell you guys the difference between Umling and Khardungla.
The highest motorable road
Is Umling,
yes.
Right? What is Khardungla?
It was previously it was
So it was previously the highest motorable road, and now this is the highest motorable road. So that is the difference. Khardungla was initially the highest motorable road, and now Umling has taken over the throne. So basically Umling is the highest motorable road. The distance to Leh is 325 kilometers, and right now the time is 12 noon. But 320 kilometers even on highways, it takes a lot of time. So through these twisting roads, whoa, look at that. What is that? If you remember, I'd always ask God to show us some wild animals. Those are two yak fighting. Look at that. So like we told you guys, we started our journey around 12 noon. Now the time is 1:30 p.m. This is what we are looking at right now. The roads per se are horrible, but the view is incredible. There's lovely mountainous terrain on that side. Then afterwards there's this amazing cloud. I don't know why this cloud is like this. Behind us, you'll find a lot of tracks in the sand. Just follow the track.
A few moments later.
We are stuck. Literally, we are stuck. Oh my god, yaar, everything that's happening on this trip. We came here and then we got lodged in over here. Just follow the track. We'll come out. So now it is officially stuck. We tried a lot of things. We tried to keep the rock and everything. Nothing seemed to work. So it's completely lodged in. So now we need to request either that truck or that car to pull us out. So luckily they were able to talk to that car and get that car. I think the truck is coming this side. Hopefully both of them can, pull us out. नहीं, वो रोड देखा ही नहीं हमने. हमको लगा यही रास्ता है. चल 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 चलो. Finally it is out. Damn it, yaar. We kept telling that something's gonna happen to the car, something's gonna happen to the car, and damn it, man. Just look at the status of this car. Look at this. Hopefully it's going to be a good journey. Enough shit has happened already. Let's go. From Umlingla, go back to Hanle, and then from Hanle come towards this checkpoint, Loma. And then from Loma proceed further to Nuoma and then back to Leh. The mistake that we did was from Umlingla, we directly came to Loma without going to Hanle, okay? There the road was horrible. That is where you saw that the car got stuck and all that nonsense happened, and the road was very, very bad. Yeah, see, look at Dhanush's shoes.
Yeah.
And look at his pant. You know, all this happened while we were trying to get the car out of that sticky situation. That's the advice I'd like to give you guys. Nahi to aur mushkil ho jayega. And you're going to hate me and you're going to unsubscribe and you're going to stop living life. I'm telling you, just don't. The kind of day we've had until now, we've been traveling for like around 6 days. Nothing has happened. Today, everything at once. We first go off-roading in the wrong road, then we get stuck in a ditch. Now we have a flat tire again. I had a flat tire in Delhi as well. You know what? It is the same tire again. Now we have to fix this. And we're still another 150 kilometers from Leh. Finally made it to Leh. Luckily we made it at 9:30 PM itself. After Loma the road is really good. But like you guys saw, we lost a bit of time because we had to change a flat tire. Finally Shagufta is here. This is day 5 of this entire Leh video series. I just felt I'll give you the conclusion here on top of the world. They've also rolled out videos on river rafting in Nubra Valley, ATV ride in Kalsar, our road trip from Visakhapatnam all the way till Leh. That was 2700 kilometers and how Shagufta and me traveled in our jeep all the way from Visakhapatnam till Leh. A lot of videos upcoming in this series, Leh series, Jeep Compass taking on Leh, deadliest roads of India, Leh series. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you are notified whenever we roll out a new video. This is Umlingla at 0 degrees Celsius at 19,000 feet. This is the 8th Wanderer signing off.